I went to a small farm in Chichen Itza at Yucatan, Mexico. I found out that the local natives were cooking, and this story is inspired from their curry-like chicken recipe. Hence I named it Mayan chicken curry. As you can see, this is spicy but health conscious as well, since it is accompanied with a lot of vegetables. However, this video will have two surprising questions, out of which the first one is the sparkling stone. Now you may ask, how irrelevant, and what has this got to do with the chicken recipe? But the answer lies soon as you keep watching. You will see me slicing and chopping vegetables, and they are quite self-explanatory, and I need not detail them. Oh, and this is a simple Mayan sculpture at the home entrance. No, this is not the second question. Just wait for it. Now to continue the cooking part, I replicate slicing of peppers, yam, carrot, potato, cauliflower, onions, eggplant, garlic, you name it. Lo and behold, they were using any and all vegetables for the food. Seasoned with little salt, sugar, and then you can see lime, little piquin powder mixed with habanero. Both are red and you can't understand the difference between each other. Both combined is extremely hot, but they mixed a little, and so did I. Now comes the second question. This is the Grand El Castillo Pyramid at Chichen Itza, which is a UNESCO World Heritage, considered as a holy temple. Adjacent to this lies the Great Ball Court and the Temple of Warriors. I have got the close-up visuals of the warrior players. The idea is to bring to you that these players are totally geared up like any modern-day cricketer or baseball player. Helmets. You can look at the caps, which have ear flaps, face guard, chin straps for complete facial protection. How on earth was this existing during 1000 BC or before, when the Mayan pyramids were being built, thousands of years ago, when the rest of the world was in dark ages? Though I am just a food guy, this is a common question, and again your eyebrows might be raised and you might ask, what has again this got to do with the chicken recipe? Come on! Both answers for the sparkling stone and the helmets lie soon as you keep watching the video. Oh, this is supposedly the goal post that the warrior players used to shoot a ball with their hip. Basketball players, heads up, no hands, only hips. But this has got nothing to do with the chicken curry. Now I know everyone is patiently waiting for the answer for the first question of the glittering stone. Actually, chicken or any free-run chicken or desi chicken would tend to eat small stones or grits, and especially if they're shiny, they will get attracted to them and eat or peck them. Since chicken does not have teeth, the stones or grit acts as mill in chicken's gizzard and grind the food further, helping in the process of digestion. Fortunately, the rock would extend their longevity and grow to a fuller size to be enjoyed after cooking as they become more and more tender. Next, as the cooking continues, I recall the procedures from the Mayan style. They were using the wood-burning oven and a pot to dry roast all vegetables, which I have baked and kept aside earlier. Now I am excited to fuse in some real curry touch to the recipe as I cook in a wok. I add in onions, ginger, garlic, cumin, bay leaves and dry red chili. You can add in any one at any time and slowly cook them in medium or high heat. I didn't forget the second question of the Mayan players. The hint lies in the recipe itself, if you follow minutely. Do keep watching for the next exciting answer. Then I add some mint paste to gear up the taste buds. Finally, the Mayan touch, achiote powder, also known as annatto powder. It has got a mild nutty and slightly sweet flavor with a hint of pepper. I'm adding 1 kg or around 2 pounds of diced chicken breasts. Now I'm mixing in the gravy well and let it cook on medium heat. I know you are patiently waiting for the answer to the second question regarding the Mayan players' helmets. I won't hold you anymore. As I told, the hint lies in the recipe itself. Hopefully you have figured out. If not, I'm more than happy to reveal the secret. Yes, the hint and the answer lies in the recipe itself. This is Mayan chicken curry. Can you figure out a chicken's head? The head has got the crown, which is known as a comb, wattles, which hangs as beard, and the earlobes. All helps to keep the hen or the chicken cool. The same structure was adapted by the Mayan player warriors who had carved out a complete device looking like a present-day helmet, mostly from bamboo or other plantation or from copper probably. So this looks very similar to present-day headgear worn by players. At that time was mostly for protection from heat. To carry out healthy eating, do include mixed roasted vegetables in this chicken diet, and hope you have enjoyed the presentation along with the surprising facts deciphered from the engaging recipe. Please do like and don't forget to come back for the next video. I will be posting every week. Thank you. Dhanyabad. Bye bye. Tata. By the grace of God, let the chicken breed for our prosperity. Disclaimer. The second answer to the Mayan helmet is a work of fiction and imagination for entertainment purposes only. This is not meant to ridicule or harm any entity, living or dead.